The most expensive domain name ever sold was voice.com, which was sold in 2019 for $30 million to blog.one company. However, there are now many other domain names that can also be worth a good amount of money, especially if they are short, have a popular theme, or are easy to remember. Free 4-character domains ended back in 2013. This was reported by Who API, a company that collects and analyzes information about domains. At a time when domain names are running out and their value is rising, secondary markets are forming, and most importantly, all these domains are formally owned by everyone. For those who don't understand what domains are and what they are for, a domain is a unique name that is used to identify and locate a resource on the internet. The most common types of domains are second-level domains such as word.com or google.com. Second-level domains consist of a name chosen by the owner and a domain extension such as .com, .org or .net. This domain identifier is linked to the corresponding server IP address, allowing users to easily find information on the internet using convenient and memorable names. There is a reason I started talking about domains on the crypto channel. Of course, we are going to look at a decentralized solution to the domain name ownership problem. Unstoppable Domains is a project that offers a solution for decentralizing domain names on a blockchain. Instead of traditional domain names controlled by centralized authorities, Unstoppable Domains uses blockchain technology to create decentralized domain names that the owner can control completely independently. Each domain record is a unique ERC721 token that can be bought and sold in the cryptocurrency market. This allows domain name owners to retain control over their name on the internet and reduces censorship by states or other centralized organizations. In addition, Unstoppable Domains offers the ability to integrate domain names with different blockchain platforms, allowing them to be used to store cryptocurrencies and interact with decentralized applications. There is what they say about it on their website. Unstoppable Domains aims to create a user-owned digital identity for every person on the planet. To do this, we are creating Web3 domains that will give you back control of your data. There are not just traditional domains, they are domains with superpowers. Anyone can buy their own domain, but there are important technical details which I will discuss a little later. To start with, absolutely anyone can buy the domain simply by going to the relevant section on the Unstoppable Domains website and entering the word, choosing a domain name, what comes after the dot, and paying for the purchase. The best part is that it doesn't need to be renewed like traditional domain names. It's a purchase once and for all. Here you can see an example of looking for a domain. We can go to the premium domain section and see very rare domains that are sold for tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. For example, earn.crypto, coin.nft, cash.nft, cash.crypto, moon.wallet, moon.nft. In addition to the domain name of the crypto domain ownership site, you can create your own Web3 identity profile, which makes it easier to send and receive cryptocurrency. How it works? Instead of the recipient's wallet, you insert your domain name, for example oleg.com, and it will automatically send money to the desired wallet, which the user has specified in his profile. The service is already integrated with the more than 750 projects including Opera, Brave, Trust Wallet, 1inch, Bitcoin.com, Coinbase, OKX, and others. Also, if you go to blog section, here you can read more about updates. partnerships, and everything that project lives. It's important to understand that crypto domains are not the same as domains we are used to. They are not indexed, which means that they are not displayed in the browsers we are used to. Major search engines currently do not index Web3 domain websites because content is hosted on P2P networks such as IPFS. That is, it's not technically possible yet. Web3 domains are so-called alternative routes. They are not part of the current DNS, but there are browsers that allow for this. At the time this video was filmed, there are Opera and Brave. Plus, it's the future that's already here, and it would be cool to get your own domain for the future. After all, this technology is likely to replace our usual domain names. As a reminder, the most expensive domain name ever sold was voice.com for $30 million. As you can see, for example, coin.crypto is already worth 3x more. Twitter of the project. The project has 315,000 followers on Twitter. There are currently 76 followers on the project, with me tweeting, including OpenSea, Crypto.com, 1inch, QuickSwap, Crew3, DAppRadar, Gate.io, Qtum, Blockchain.com, and many other influencers, including the head of the listing on Coinbase. What is the project known for? Censorship protection. Blockchain domains cannot be seized or banned by any institution or company, and therefore are 100% owned by the person who bought it. Security. Blockchain keeps domain names safe from cyber attacks and hacking, which means no one will steal it, unless you let them. Easy of use. Domains can be used as normal URLs, and besides has many features such as address linking and identity verification web. Write in the comments, do you have your domain which is in your wallet waiting for its time, or you just found out about the project today? I'll be waiting for feedback. See you on the Blondie Chain channel.